In this video, I'll show you how you can cut out a person on Photoshop. So to start this off, I actually opened up this photo from this woman, and what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna cut her out of this image. So for that, to start off, I wanna add a second layer, just like that. Then select layer 0, which is this picture, and then all you need to do is click on the quick selection tool right here. Click on the plus icon right there, and then make the size bigger so that it actually takes less time. I'll just put this at like 80 for now. It kind of depends on how big, what kind of size your image is, but I'm sure you'll figure it out by yourself. Now once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the background and then start clicking around the person, just like this, okay? So if I do that, you can see that it starts selecting the background. Now, once you do that, you can actually get rid of the background, which means you're gonna cut out the person. But you can see that right now, it's not perfect yet. So once you've done that, you wanna click on the -1. I'm gonna lower the size a bit so that I can make this more precise. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna customize it so that it fits way better. So I'm just gonna zoom in, and then I'm gonna go over the sidelines just like this, select the arm as well, and then right now I'm gonna put the size even lower to select her fingers, just like that. And then once you're done doing this, you will be able to cut out the person. Okay, so you kind of need to do this, make sure that it fits, make sure that it looks good, and then once you're done doing this, like customizing it, all you need to do is click backspace, which I'll do in a bit. Let's zoom out again. If I now hit backspace, you'll see that I actually cut out the person, and there you go. So right now you can see that it's not perfect yet. Right there we've got some yellow background left over, so I'm just gonna zoom out again, and then I'm gonna do one step backwards and make sure that this is perfect. Okay, so it kind of depends on what kind of picture you have, but I'll just do this for now like that, and then this should be all right. Okay, so right now you've got this picture. All you need to do is save this as a PNG file, save as, then click on PNG, click save, and you can undo that. So that's how you can cut out a person in Photoshop. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.